Hello guys, how are you? Today is our topic about algebra. So algebra can be defined as algebra is the branch of mathematics that uses symbols and letters to represent numbers and relationships, allowing the formulation and solving of equations. So this is an algebraic equation 2x squared plus 5x plus 8 equal to 0. In this equation, 2 and 5 are coefficient. They are called coefficients. Similarly, x square and x, this part of the equation is called variable, while 8 is called constant. This positive is called operator, and other operators are subtraction or negative, multiplication and division. So algebra can be classified into algebraic expressions, algebraic equations and algebraic inequalities. 2x plus 3 and x minus 2 is an example of algebraic expressions, while 2x plus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 2 equal to 0 are algebraic equations, while 2x plus 3 is greater than 0 and x minus 2 is less than 0 are algebraic inequalities. So the algebraic expressions can further be classified into polynomial expression, rational expression, irrational expressions, logarithmic expressions, exponential expressions, linear expressions and quadratic expressions. So examples are given with each type of expression. This is called polynomial expressions. So this is called rational expression. If there is fraction involved, like x plus 1 divided by this divided by is called fraction. So when fraction is involved in any statement, then we cannot say it polynomial expression. Similarly, irrational expression, this is also called radical expression because there is a radical involved under root. So this is called irrational expression. Similarly, if there is log involved in any expression, in any algebraic expression, so the expression will called logarithmic expression. And if the variable is in exponent, so this particular type of expression will called exponential expression. So it is necessary for exponential expression that the variable must be in exponent. This is linear expression, and it is necessary for linear expression that the power of the variable must be equal to 1. So this is the power of x is 1, 2x plus 3. If we write this as 2x square plus 3, so we cannot say then a linear equation to it. So it is necessary for linear equation that the power of variable must be equal to 1. Similarly, this is quadratic equation, x square plus 4x plus 4. Here it is also necessary for quadratic equation that the power of variable must be 2. If the power of variable is less than 2 or greater than 2, then this particular type of expression will not call quadratic equation. So it is necessary for quadratic expression that the power must be equal to 2. So let's move forward. These are algebraic equations. So just like algebraic expression, these are algebraic equations which are classified into polynomial equation, rational equation, irrational equation, linear equation, quadratic equation, exponential equation and logarithmic equations. So this is polynomial equation equal to 0, and this is x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to some value. Sorry, we have missed their sign of equality, but here is the sign of equality equal to some value. So this will call rational equation. In this form, this is in algebraic expression, not equation. So for equation, it is necessary to put here is equal to some value over here. So this is the example of irrational equation. This is irrational equation and this is linear equation. Similarly, this is quadratic equation and this is exponential equation, and this is logarithmic equation. Polynomial. So we can further classify polynomial into monomial, binomial, and trinomial. So what are these terms? If there is one term like this, 2x is one term, this is called monomial. This particular type of polynomial is called monomial. And 5y square is also single term. This is also single term, 6x cubed. So in polynomial, if there is only one term, this particular type of polynomial will called monomial. So similarly, binomial are those polynomials which include two terms. For example, x plus 3 having two terms, 2x minus 1 having two terms, and 3x plus 6 having two terms. One term is this and one term is this. So all these are called binomial. While trinomial are those polynomial which include three terms. X square plus x plus 1 are trinomial because one term, this is one term and this is one term, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. This expression is equal to three terms, has three terms, so this is trinomial. And similarly, x plus y plus 1 is trinomial because there are three terms, 1, 2 and 3. Degree of polynomial. So what is degree of polynomial? The power of variable or the sum of the power of variable is called degree of polynomial. So here the power of variable is 1, here the power of variable is 1, y power 1, and similarly z power 1. So all these are first degree polynomial. Similarly, 5xy, 3x square and 6y square. So in 5xy the power is equal to 2. Power of x is 1 and power of y is 1, so 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So overall this is 2 degree polynomial, and this is also 2 degree polynomial, and this is also 2 degree polynomial. While in 5xyz this is 3 degree polynomial because the sum of power of variables is equal to 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. X power 1, y power 1, z power 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. So this is third degree polynomial, and this is also called 3 degree. The degree of polynomial is 3, and similarly this is also 3 degree polynomial. So this is third degree polynomial. Please ignore this first. This is written by mistake. So this is called third degree polynomial. Now let's discuss the comparison among an algebraic expression, an algebraic equation, and an algebraic inequalities. So by definition, an algebraic expression is a combination of variables, constant, and operators like positive, negative, multiplication, division without an equality sign. So there will be no sign of equality in algebraic expression, while a mathematical statement that shows two expressions are equal sign is called algebraic equation. And similarly, in algebraic inequalities, a statement comparing two expressions using inequality symbols. So examples are 3x plus 5 and 2a square minus 7b plus 4. These are algebraic expressions, while 3x plus 5 is equal to 11. 2a square minus 7b plus 4 equal to 0. These are algebraic equations, while 2x plus 5 is greater than 11 and 2a square minus 7b plus 4 is less than 0. So these are algebraic inequalities. Equality sign. So in algebraic expression there is no equality sign. In algebraic equation there is equality sign, and in algebraic inequalities contains less than or greater than. Solubility. So solubility means can we solve or not. So algebraic expression cannot be solved but can be simplified, while algebraic equation can be solved to find the values of variables. So these variables For example, a, b and x, these are variables. So in algebraic equations we can find out the value of variables, while in algebraic inequalities can be solved to its simplest form. So we can simplify but cannot find the value as well in algebraic inequalities. So the purpose of algebraic expression is used to represent mathematical relationship, while algebraic equation used to define condition and find unknown values, while algebraic inequalities shows a comparison greater than, less than, etc. between expressions. So all these were about the algebra. This is all for today. Please like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.